The 25 Auto Poche or pocket model was the original Français design. With an overall length of 112 mm, 4.4 inch, it is easily concealable in pocket or purse. The firing pin is held in by a plug at the rear of the breech with a hole in its center through which the back of the firing pin protrudes when the trigger is pulled. The plug is retained by bayonet-type lugs. According to Doane, the earliest plug is short and flat on top. The most common plugs are round and have a flat rear surface that is checkered. Later plugs extend a bit further from the rear of the gun and have a smaller area of checkering. After World War II, the plug extends further to the rear and flares, and the flared portion is checkered around its circumference. The front sight is integral with the barrel, and the rear sight is integral with the slide. There are no slide serrations. Early Poche models were available in 4 grades, from N, degree 1 to N, degree 4, with number 1 being the low-end unengraved model, and numbers 2 through 4 featuring increasingly elaborate engraving. All were blued. Later, with the advent of other models, each grade was given its own model number. 802, the standard model. 808, with improved finish, polished trigger guard and minor engraving. 814, with nickel trigger guard, finely checkered grips, deluxe brilliant blue-black finish and luxury engraving. And 820, the same as 814, but with further artistic decoration. In later years, the Model 802 was also offered in nickel finish. The model number is stamped on the barrel lug, visible when the barrel is tipped open. The serial number is stamped on the barrel, also visible only when the barrel is tipped open. Late pistols are unmarked on the left side of the slide. Early Français models have a grip frame with parallel sides and a magazine that is held in place by 2 short wings that fit into notches in the bottom of the frame. Intermediate models have a grip frame that is flared at the bottom rear, but still retains the floor plate magazine catch. Late models have the flared grip frame with a thumb-operated magazine release at the heel of the grip. The flared grip frame was almost certainly designed to accommodate the pin for the magazine release lever. In 1939, a number 812 extra light model, modally extra ledger, was introduced with an aluminum alloy frame. The barrel latch, slide, trigger guard, and magazine release were chrome steel. The grips were mother of pearl. The extra light model weighed 245 grams. The standard model weighed 320 grams. There was also a model number 811 with a fluted barrel, lightning cuts on the top of the slide, and mother-of-pearl grip plates. Production was halted by the war, so these models are extremely scarce. In 1965, 4 cooling fins were added to the breech of the modally de Poche. The plug in the end of the breech was enlarged slightly, but still retained the hole for the firing pin. The magazine was provided with a ring at the base to hold a spare cartridge to go in the chamber, like the Type Army. The Poche with these features only appeared in the catalog for 2 years. According to Katia and Richard, the Français was a standard-issue sidearm for some officers of the French Criminal Investigation Department. Variants of the pistol are Manufrance, Français, modally E, pistol double-action only in 1913, 25 Auto. Manufrance Français Franco, Dow 25 Auto. Manufrance Français Manumedial, double-action only, 25 Auto. Manufrance Français Type Policeman, double-action only, 25 Auto. Manufrance Français Type Français Champion, selective mode double-action only and single-action, 25 Auto and 22 Long Rifle. Manufrance Français Type Army, double-action only, 9 mm Browning Long. Manufrance Français Type Français Civil, double-action only, 32 Auto. Manufrance Français Type Français 50, double-action only, 32 Auto. And Manufrance Français Type Français 765, double-action only, 32 Auto. Designed by Etienne Mamard, founder of manufacturer Français d'Armes et Cycles de Saint-Étienne, which would become Manufrance M. 1947.